Hey there, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily and wirelessly connect your Apple iPad Pro M4 to your TV. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, please subscribe and also hit the bell if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. All right, with that being said, let's jump right in. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily and wirelessly connect your Apple iPad Pro M4 to your TV so that you can see pictures and videos that you have saved on your iPad. You can also do it to play video games or view pretty much anything that you have on your iPad on your TV. All right, so let's go. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the iPad and the TV connected on the same Wi-Fi network. So we're going to check here on the TV, the network, and make sure that the network on that TV, as you can see here, is the same as the Wi-Fi network that is connected on the iPad. So once that is confirmed, what we're going to do is we're going to swipe from the top right corner of the screen of the iPad, and we're going to select this screen mirroring option right here. And we're going to go ahead and select our TV. It should show up there. We're going to also get this code on the TV, AirPlay passcode, and we're going to enter this onto the iPad. Once it's fully typed in, hit OK, and the iPad will automatically connect to the TV. Then you can go ahead and just tap on the screen so you can completely view your iPad on the TV. You can swipe around, find any apps that you want to open up. We can go ahead into the gallery here to view our pictures and videos at a larger size. If we have family around us, we can show them these pictures and videos on the TV so everyone can gather around and see them. That way we don't have to have everyone close up on the iPad. And another cool thing we could use this for is to play video games from the iPad to the TV, especially if you have this cool controller. I'm also going to link it down below in the description in case you want to get it. But you can play on the TV as if you were playing on a console directly from your iPad. But even if you don't have this controller, you can still enjoy playing games from your iPad on your big screen TV, making the experience that much more awesome. All right, everyone, so that is how you can easily and wirelessly connect your Apple iPad Pro M4 to your TV. Go ahead and destroy that like button if you enjoyed the video. Comment down below and let me know. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always,